Okay.
Okay.
Here we are.
Oh crap. Moving like koala ears.
Oh, get them on.
Oh crap.
Oh, shit.
Oh, cracky.
Oh.
Oh, by cracky. Recording?
Yeah.
Because that's what Australians say, oh, by cracky. Isn't that what they say?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Well, do I look like a koala?
Let me get back here.
Koalas sleep a lot.
Yeah.
I do know. The koalas don't like cold weather, Ellen. As you can tell by looking at me, I'm a very happy koala girl. I really need to get down under. Because I really need to meet the Swiss people. They have the best products and they go koala girl. I really need some help. Not to mention that meeting you would be, you know, of course, hey, the highlight of anybody's life because you're such an outstanding human being. So, I tried to sing an opera, but I don't think there's an Australian opera, so this is the best I can do for you. Oh, Ellen! Oh, Ellen! Oh, Ellen! Swiss products, Swiss products! Oh, I need Swiss products to go down under, down under, down under! I know, don't give up my day job. Hey, Ellen, I need some help getting down under. I'm going to try. If this works, maybe I'll see you there. If this works. See if it works. Well, it didn't work, Ellen. I need some help getting some down under. Bye, Ellen. Hope to see you soon, matey.
Are you going to wave?
Is there an Australian wave? Is there a koala wave?
Sure. That's good.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.